Besides using distribution analysis in JUMP, we can also explore ParallelSet. In this case, I'm using ParallelSet by using D3JS framework. So we can see in the top hierarchy of the variables, we have price tier. So to analyze the data, we simply highlight each value that we want to specify, that we want to analyze. So in this case, we want to analyze high price tier. So I just hover this high price tier category, and then from here onward, we can see what are the proportion of each value that is related to high price tier. So from high price tier, we can see that high to 2 gigahertz of processor speed is 11%, as compared to high to 2.4 gigahertz is 6%. And from the visualizer itself, we can see that high processor speed is the obvious bigger proportion than 2.4 Hz. And but however, if we look at the next bottom hierarchy, which is the HD size, it's very hard to compare which one is in the higher proportion, because there are too many lines, minuscule lines all over the place. So in order to overcome this issue, we can simply drag the HD size variables onto the top, and then highlight the high price tier again. Then we can see that all these categories are much easier to see. Okay, but now the problem is they are almost equally in size. So what we need to do is to see by hovering through the line to see which higher percentage. Alright, so in this case, we can see that 300 gigabyte of HD size is the biggest proportion as compared to the rest. Alright, and seems that we can do for in terms of horizontal layout, we can see that if you want to move the low price tier to the left, we can also do that, and then from that point onward, we can analyze what is the relevant data. So the flexibility of ParallelSet in this interactive visualization is that we can see everything in one view, unlike the distribution analysis in which we need to scroll left and right to see all the different category, and we need to highlight and use the linked view and go to another set of data view to churn out the data that to observe the data that we want to. But for this one, we just need to see and observe, hover to the category of data or value that we want to see, and then we can observe the difference in proportions. And for those that are further down in the hierarchy, we can simply drag onto the top, and we can see the difference already. Right? So this is the alternative method of multivariate analysis that we can use, which is ParallelSet. So it is not the perfect solution, but it can be an alternate solution if we don't have SAS JUMP as our solution.